the dawn. Side by side we go, hearts are never wrong. Golden wave of souls, singing our song. Sunrise in our eyes, after bright and strong. Tides may rise and fall, but we all belong. Every gentle hand lifting when we're low. With every step ahead, our kindness always grows. We rise together with hope that never fades.
Hi, I'm Blaze, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and delicious ginger soy sauce with just a few ingredients. This will only take a couple minutes out of your day to make, and you will be glad that you have this when you eat any type of bland foods or you need to add personality to some of the meals that you eat. To first get started in making our soy sauce, we're going to need some high quality shoyu. And I always recommend and use this brand right here, Osawa Nama Shoyu. It is organic and unpasteurized. And you can rest assured, because it's made in Japan, that there is no genetically modified ingredients, especially soybeans, in it, because it is prohibited commercially in Japan. And the ingredients is super simple in this soy sauce, which is organic soybeans, mountain spring water, organic whole wheat, and sea salt. That's it. Just how we like it. I'm going to be honest though, it is a little bit more on the pricier side to buy this soy sauce, but believe me, it makes up for it in quality. Whereas the cheaper soy sauces have a bunch of preservatives in them, and they just don't have the quality of this one. I've been using this one for years, and I always recommend this one. I'll leave links down in the description box below on this soy sauce. For example, at my health food store, this soy sauce normally goes for around $30 for 32 fluid ounces. But when it goes on sale, they can go down to about $20. And when I catch them at $20, I usually end up buying a couple of them. So once we got our high quality soy sauce, we're just going to need some organic ginger and, optional, some hot chili peppers. With just these three ingredients right here, you're going to have one of the best soy sauces to add to all types of meals and foods. We're going to first start by just peeling the ginger skin off. Now that we cleaned our ginger, I'm going to make about a quart worth of this ginger soy sauce. So in total, if we was to measure this, right, this is just whole pieces, and we're going to throw this in the measuring cup. I would say it's roughly about a cup to a cup and a half of ginger. You can use ginger sparingly if you're not used to that ginger bite. But I put quite a bit for mine because I do love that ginger zing. So to make this quart, which I will fill up this quart-size mason jar, I'll just take the ginger pieces now and kind of just chop them up into smaller pieces, just like that. And then I'll throw them in the Vitamix blender. And if you don't have a Vitamix blender, then you are missing out on one of the best blenders that I have ever came across. Honestly, it puts pretty much any normal blender. I've actually owned my Vitamix blender for over 20 years. And I have put that thing through the test time and time again. And it has not failed yet. Pretty awesome. I'll leave some links in the description for that blender. Okay, once we got everything chopped up, just like that, into smaller pieces, then we can throw it in the Vitamix. I find if I just throw huge chunks of ginger in the Vitamix, it actually, some pieces can get stuck like under the blade. So now I just chop them up into smaller chunks and it blends up perfectly. So we got our Vitamix container. We add our ginger. Then all we do is add our nama shoyu and our red hot chili peppers if you like yours hot. What I do is I add just enough to blend the ginger up, and then I add some later, as I'll show you in this example. Just enough to blend it up while it's still kind of thick. Oh, I blend up the peppers too one time. So as you can see, this is going to be a fiery ginger soy sauce. Smells spicy. The one thing that I find when you make this simple sauce, right? If the younger and smaller pieces of ginger that you can use, the less fibers there will be in your sauce, right? Because if you use big, massive chunks of ginger, like I'll show you an example. If you are using massive pieces of ginger, right? Like pieces like this, you're gonna have more fiber content in the sauce. It's not the end of the world. I mean, you can just strain it out if you want, and that'll work also. I usually just leave my ginger in there with the pulp and I just mix it into whatever foods I'm eating. Because if you use younger pieces of ginger, right, smaller, younger pieces, you won't really have that fiber in there. It'll just blend up to like a puree. Okay, once we have our sauce all mixed up, that's pretty much it, honestly. And this is where I use some of the, like extra sauce to kind of just rinse off the walls. Whoa. Here. If you would like my free Bright Bites meal planner to help you to stay organized by planning your meals ahead of time throughout the week, then just comment the word bright down below and I'll be sure to get that out to you. Give it a light mix. And right here, my friends, with just a few minutes of your time to get that high quality nama shoyu, fresh organic ginger, and red hot chili peppers if you desire, you can make this awesome soy sauce that you can add to just about anything. Give this a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And if not, share a recipe that you know, if you know how to make an awesome soy sauce recipe also. Leave it in the comments below and I would love to hear what others know as far as recipes. Okay, we can't forget the taste test. This thing is gonna be fire. Okay, let's give it a go. Fiery awesome. Nice and hot. Ginger bite is just right. With the silky smooth soy sauce that this brand is, the Nama soy sauce, you cannot go wrong. I would throw out any other soy sauces that you have at home if they have GMO ingredients and if they have a ton of preservatives, because I look at the soy sauces in the stores all the time to see what type of ingredients there is in them, and majority of them have a ton of preservatives and have genetically modified soybeans. So with this soy sauce right here, you cannot go wrong. Give this a try and let me know how it works out for you. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about simple and delicious plant-based foods that you can whip up right in your own kitchen or grow awesome ginger right in your backyard, then check out my other video right here where I share with you the tips and tricks that you need to know when growing fresh organic ginger for you, your friends, your family, or your community. Watch this video right here and I will see you there.
Knowledge in the plants, whisper low beneath the fronds, roots that tangle, stories told, green wisdom from long ago. Oh la la la, oh la la, sun and rain, Oh la la, see the leaves, they shimmer bright, passing secrets in morning light. Hands in soil, heart at peace, nature's truth, a sweet release. Listen close, the land reveals healing ways the island feels. Ancient knowledge in the plants, whisper low beneath the fronds. Roots that tangle, stories told, green wisdom from long ago. Oh la la la, oh la la, sun and rain.